ビデオでご紹介しております。そのお隣では国内初お披露目となりますギーククラスの自動フォークリフトと搬送ロボットが連携し、パレット積み荷物の
Are you afraid that the robot will take your job one day?
Hello.
Hello.
There are almost great fear in that in the future that robots or maybe new technologies like artificial intelligence will take most of the jobs and increase unemployment. So how the future is going to be? Hello everyone, this is Ayman Omar and today I'm going to talk about the future of employment in the age of the fourth industrial revolution. We are currently living in this era of the fourth industrial revolution, and we are seeing the development of so many technologies such as robotics, artificial intelligence, big data, Internet of Things, and 3D printing. All those kind of technology, of course, have bring a lot of benefit for us, even in terms of new goods with a very cheap price and high quality. Even in terms of jobs, that we are seeing now so many new jobs with very like high payment and very like relaxed condition. But actually we have seen that this technology has removed a lot of jobs in the market, especially low skilled job, even like entry level jobs for graduate are being taken by new kind of technology such as artificial intelligence. According to a research by Oxford University, that almost 47% of the current jobs are going to disappear in the next 25 years. This actually make a huge challenge that for the current generation that are currently in the school, or how they are going to find new jobs in the future when they enter the workforce. But on the other hand, actually, as technology are taking away low skilled jobs, actually it's bring new type of jobs. We are currently seeing some jobs that were not available in the last 10 years. So jobs like YouTuber, like big data analysis, and maybe apps developer. Those are kind of jobs that were not available more than a decade ago, but currently now it's become new type of employment for the new generation. So it's obvious, of course, like as technology will take up some of the low skilled jobs, it will bring new jobs. This is not different from if you look back in history in the previous industrial revolution. We'll find that there were some type of jobs were available in the past, and it's been taken away by new technology and new development, and new jobs actually appear during those industrial revolution, and it becomes very widely used. So that's actually, it will, we can say that maybe we are safe, that there are going to be new jobs. So it's not different from what happened in the past. But actually what makes today's or maybe the current situation much different? Many experts are seeing that the fourth industrial revolution is going very fast. The rate of development is actually going very fast in a way that we are not is not easy for us to catch those development. So when someone enter university, the job market will be in a current situation, but when he graduates after maybe 4 years, he will find that everything almost changed. New type of like requirement for jobs has changed a lot during this 4 years. So actually this make a great challenge, of course, for people to prepare for those kind of development. Even like when people are in the workforce, they find some difficulties that the job requirement actually change. So sometimes they don't have the skills for the job required in the market. So this actually puts a very important point that people have to consider, which is the ability to learn. So many experts are seeing that we have to continue learning and upgrade our skills in order to fit to the new requirement in the job market. In the book Robot Proof Higher Education in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Professor Joseph Anu, University of North and East in the United States, he said that the future in the age of like artificial intelligence or robotics needs actually to be changed actually. So education is not like in the past. Mostly after you graduate from university, you get a job and that's become your situation until you go to the retirement. But he said in this in his book that the inevitability is going to continue for life. So education becomes a continuous habit for your life. So it means like you have sometimes to go to university after few years to learn new skills and get new knowledge, so you'll be ready for the new type of job in the market. Also, he proposed in his book that there will not be separation between education and the job. So you might be like working at the same time you are a student. So he proposed that the degree might not be made maybe in 4 years as currently is being made. Maybe you can go to university for almost 20 years or 30 years. You will be taking some courses and at the same time you will be working in your job in a company, or maybe you're self-employed. So this maybe will give an advantage that you are learning something and you're implementing directly. This might be like a little bit difficult, but of course like the easiest one that is more applicable is that you take some time off and you go back to taking some courses or taking some degree to get like new type of skills. Of course, like practically it might be challenging. Some companies, of course, like big companies or even like government organization, they can easily like send their employees for university or maybe give them some training course so they can get new skills. But the real challenge is for small companies or individuals. Small companies, they might not be they cannot afford maybe to send their employees away and give them some trainings. Like for individual person, it is not easy that he may take all the expenses, financial expenses, to get like new type of skills or new type of knowledge. It could be easy maybe for some people, but mostly the majority becomes not an easy part, like to take care of his finance during like his new like degree or new studies. So in order to maybe to go through this period, it required like a lot of cooperation between government, big agencies, big companies, educational institute. They all have to cooperate together to find a way like to educate and prepare the workforce for the new type of job and the new upgrade in the market. So how all those sides or all those parties could collaborate together? Actually, I will leave this one to another video, so I will talk on those issues in more details. So do you think the future is going to be bright for everyone, or do you think it's going to be maybe good for some people or and very dark for other people? So until I see you again, thank you for watching.